Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how you can retrieve your lost or forgotten product key of any Quick Heal antivirus. So let's get started. You can simply open the dashboard of Quick Heal antivirus and at the top you will click on license. Simply wait for it and it will load all the key information related to the antivirus. From here you can copy your product key. In the next method, simply open File Explorer. Go to C drive, then Program Files, go to Quick Heal folder and click on Quick Heal Total Security. From here, locate User Info file. Right click over it and open the file. Here you will get all the key details related to the antivirus. You will also get the product key from here, so you can note it down. The final method will be useful if you have accidentally uninstalled the antivirus or formatted your Windows OS. So to retrieve the product key, simply open your browser and type Quick Heal lost product key, and from the search results go to the specific web page. Here you need to enter the registered email address which you use to activate the product. Simply type the email address here and solve the number puzzle and click on submit. You will get the activation key on your registered email address. Now simply log into your email and you will get a message from Quick Heal where you will get the product key. So that's it for today. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the video helpful. Thank you.